Assalamu alaikum. In this tutorial I'm going to teach you how you can check and validate your invoice for the Zatca phase 2. So first thing you should have to keep in the mind that in the Zatca phase 2 they are very restricted towards the customer information. So you have to make sure that your customer information is correct. For example, over here in Sabiq, okay, if I come over here, I have to make sure that the TRN number should be correct. Okay, if TRN number is wrong, or you put, let's suppose let's suppose I will give you one example that in some of the TRN number I saw like this. You see this? If I'll just click on this, okay, in TR number, if you add like this, VAT number like this over there, so Zatca will make sure about these fields, like as I said, that your TRN number in company name, okay, you should have to put the company name. Company name should not be too much long, like I give you the example that what mistakes are over here, like you see over here. In the company name they put East Pipe Integrated Company, PO Box. This, if you will make the invoice like this, Zatca will reject your invoice. Okay, so this is the first thing. Second thing, which is most important, is the address. In the address, okay, you have to make sure that you will put the building number, okay, and postal code, these two, and this site location. These three things. The site location you can put the street address or whatever, okay, building number and postal code. These three should be filled properly, okay, and it should be in English. Okay, it's not, you can put when there is a field of Arabic, you can put as the Arabic as well in a different field, but Zatca validate only the English fields. Okay, so this is the related to the customer. After correcting all the customer data, okay, you should have to first create any invoice. Let's take examples for the Arabic. Same process of before you creating the invoice, same process, just add the items. Let's say product, just add the product, everything is same, no change at all in the process of creating the invoice. Whatever the important points, I'm just going to tell you that what are the important points. So here, for example, 1000. So all the process same. Only the difference is that now Zatca validated that you must have to put the delivery date. So delivery date, how you check this? You click on this icon. Okay, from here you must have to validate delivery date, irrespective your agreement with the customer for any delivery date, but you have to put it the delivery date, otherwise Zatca will not approve your invoice. So you click on save. After that, same procedure. If you wanted to keep as a perform invoice, just click on the save record and you can proceed for the perform invoice. For the perform invoice, there is no rule for the Zatca, you can proceed same as like before. Okay, but once you wanted to take out the QR code based invoice, you should have to proceed for the steps which Zatca phase 2 is required. So you will click on proceed. Okay, you'll check. Once you click on the make payment, it will show you the breakdown of your invoice. If you can see over here, you have to review all, like over here some of the items are missing, so it's mean that it's showing that Zatca will not approve your invoice. One more thing, that if your invoice is B2B, okay, Zatca will give you the cleared message, okay, and if your invoice is B2C, the Zatca will give you the final status is reported. Okay, and you can see all your line item, and after you clarify, you just click over here and then submit. So in that case, you see some of the information are not correct. I'm just showing you the process that what the Zatca will do it. Okay, it's just for the testing purpose. So I will submit it. So here it says customer name is not defined. Okay, over here it is saying that customer name should be defined. Submit. Invoice customer street name should be defined. Okay, so Zatca over here is restricting you. So let's go to the Sabiq. Over here we'll just go edit, go to side this. So here we say, let's suppose reveal, okay, building number, anything, but you have to put the correct building number 96000 of official email only, postal code 34454. Okay, after that we have to click save, select the location type. Okay, this is you can say that it's a headquarter, fax number. Okay, so it's already saved out. Let's go back to our order and check if the Zatca will validate or not. So this is the Sabiq invoice which we created. Okay, let's go again, make sure that we have the delivery date approved. Proceed, make payment. That is the breakdown. Okay, just click receive, submit. Okay, it says sale invoice, customer city name is not defined. City name, you should have to make sure that why the city name is over there. Not enter. Go to city name. Let me check where is the city name. How I miss it. Okay, you should have to put the city name. So today. And put the city subdivision. I think save. Customer order. Proceed. Payment. See, we put the detail. All the asterisk should have to be filled. See and submit. Okay, so it is saying that the invoice. Okay, so on the message. So now you should have to go over here. If you see over here, it's not showing any status. Okay, what you have to do, you have to click on refresh listing. It will take some time, 1 minute, 2 minutes. Right now it's showing that it is in process. Okay, it means still Zatca do not validate it. It's validating, it's checking. So if the invoice is cleared, it means your invoice has been done. And the cleared message will come when the invoice is B2B. If reported, it means B2C. So you should have to again click on refresh listing, and it depends on the Zatca server. Sometime it takes a lot of time, sometime in 1 or 2 minutes. Now it is cleared. So now your invoice has been phase 2 integrated, okay, and showing that it's clear. So you just click on sales invoice. You check example of not clearing the invoice. So we'll just do something over here. I think there is, as I said before, there is one customer. Their TR number is not correct. Okay, this one, Master Baker Company. Okay, let's take the example of Master Baker Company. Go again into the customer order. Okay, Master Baker Company. Yes, add the product. Okay, click on the delivery date. For example, let's suppose not take the delivery date. Let's see what the error will come. Okay, make payment, and oversee everything has been listed over here. Again, it's showing some of the static requirement. Okay, you must have to fill it. So if you try to proceed, it will give you the error. Okay, so let's go to the master district. What to the enter customer, master company, and I will just correct the city name over here. Building number 6253, postal code 52. Okay, this has been saved. Let's go to the customer. Customer order. Let's take the customer order again. Mr. Baker Company. Okay. Proceed. Just try. Remember that I do not put the delivery date. So I'm just giving you the example that if you do not put the delivery date, Zatca will not validate your invoice. Make payment. What is this over here? Submit. This is invoice. See, delivery date is not defined. So Zatca will prompt you this. Okay. So delivery date. Proceed. Make payment. Submit. See, it has been approved and cleared by Zatca compliance. Completed, and the transaction is now logged. Kindly review the status and print the invoice. Okay, so we'll go to the customer order again. Right now this one is not showing any result. Click on refresh listing. It said in process. Yeah, particularly I am giving this because in Master Baker Company the VAT number is not properly mentioned over there. So you should have to make sure that everything you put is correct. See, it's not clear. When it says not clear, once you click on this, it will give you a message that why it is not cleared. This one, buyer group VAT registration must contain 15 digits. Have you seen over there this message? Okay, this is how it is showing the error. Don't confuse with that the transaction means this invoice executed successfully, but the status is not clear. Why it is not clear? Showing you over here the error message. It's showing that the buyer VAT registration number is, so it can be of any error. Okay, let's suppose your payment amount is not correct, maybe the VAT you do not put correct VAT number. It can be anything. Okay, so this is how actually it's showing. Similarly, for the credit invoice, it's the same process. Once you create the credit invoice, okay, you have to download all the items from that invoice. You just put the link of that invoice. Okay, once it's loaded, you have to put the delivery date or whatever, and then after that, once you proceed, and the process will be same, like cleared, not clear, or whatever, it will show over there. So this is how you should have to keep testing. Okay, this thing I forgot to tell you that, let's suppose if your invoice is not clear and you found that what the error message is coming, okay, you just simply correct what the Zatca mentioned over there, the error message. Okay, you can simply correct it by, let's suppose I'm just giving you the live example that I go to this company account, master company, okay, edit it and correct the TR. Okay, now once I will save it, I'll just go back to the customer order. Okay, I don't need to create an invoice again. I will just go into the same invoice which showing the not clear. I click on over there and retry. Once I click retry, it will again, Zatca will start the transaction process again. Okay, you will go over here you will see again it's showing the in process. You click on refresh listing. Okay, Zatca will keep validating, and once it will validate successfully, it will show you over here the message the system is still on the demo stage. Okay, so you can test it and do whatever the testing you want. Okay, your last invoice was this invoice 368. Once you will give us the clear message that okay, we have been tested successfully. Okay, all the things are clear to us. Okay, we will delete all the test invoices. Okay, and the system will turn into the production mode, I mean the live mode. Okay, afterward you cannot delete, you cannot do anything. Your system will be live, and you see now the invoice is clear. So this is how this complete process. Okay, thank you. Okay, if you have any question or anything is not clear, you can ask me on my WhatsApp, okay, or by email or by calling anything. Okay, thank you.